Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making luau. Luau in a pot, guys. It's going to be made in a pot, not the round ball ones, in the ulu. Here's my ingredients, guys. Come and have a look. So I have onion, coconut cream, garlic, and I've got chicken powder stock there, and my washed luau, and that's the pot that I'm going to be cooking it in. So and the utensils that I'll be using to chop up everything and getting it ready. So luau go in a pot, guys. I'm going to prepare it now. You can see, guys, there is no toothbrushes up here. No, I took them away. Woohoo! I took them away, guys. Stop it. Stop it. Anyway, on the bottom of the pot, I like to put the onions, right? Yeah, because when the, luau is cooking, the onion is pumping up the flavor. Pump it up. No. Okay, so I've already washed my hand, guys. I've already washed my hands. So I'm going to get these luau's. My poor brother. I went over to his house this morning and I had to walk up there, guys. Yes, I had to beat the feet. Beat the feet. And you know why? Because my daughter is still using my car for work, while she saves her up for a nice new car for herself. So I'm going to chop up the luau's to put in the pot here. I'll bring the pot and I'll put it into the sink. So as I chop, So guys, this is how I make it. Because for my husband, his brother came over to visit one time when we were living in New Zealand, and he fell in love with the luau. Yeah, because he makes it himself in his pots. But when he had my one, he said, ooh la 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 la. Yeah, so when he came and tried the one that I made, oh my gosh, I'm not kidding. I saw him licking the bowl. Hey, Wes, I hope you're watching this so you know how to make it, because you're trying to get your sister to show you, and I wasn't available to come over to your place so I can show you. Anyway, but this is so simple to make and it turns out real yummy. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's all the luau's I got, so don't get excited. It's the only amount, and that's how I do it. Yeah, so guys, you have to boil it. I put probably 2 cups of water in there. Okay, while we're here, I'll put some water on. Okay. Does that sound like 2 cups of water? Let me have a look. I can always tell. A little bit more. Yeah, that. Lift the thing up, put it down. So put this on lock. And voila. So this is what it looks like, guys. See? So guys, you just boil it like that with the more the luau, the more the water. So I'll put in there about probably 2 cups of water. So it will cook it now till it's tender. But for the meantime, I'm going to show you guys how to make the sauce, have it ready. So while that's cooking, guys, you have to get the batter ready. Here goes the shake, 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 shake. Yeah, okay. Getting back to the serious stuff. Okay. So you give it a cut. Make sure you don't have your fingers in the way. Oh my gosh, imagine getting cut in front of you guys. Well, you know what to do. You have to ring 911. So, get the garlic ready. You just put 1 teaspoon of garlic. 1. Okay. Can you see down here? Then about, I don't know, your guess is as good as mine. But I'll say 2 teaspoons of this chicken stock. I got that from my fruit shop, guys. It's called Jopes. Jopes. Anyway, can you guys see it? Oh, I hate this camera. It doesn't focus. At least I haven't set it up, but so unprofessional. Anyway, guys, cool, yeah, stop calling me that. So, see, so you put the coconut cream in, and it's got the garlic, and it's got the chicken stock. Put in some pepper, white pepper. Oh, kaere pepper nga Palusami whawhu. Okay, guys, we're gonna have a pepper episode. But I tell you what, I love pepper, so it's so cool. It's so cool. But so you get this ready, guys. You get it ready, and then you wait for it. Oh, hang on. And then when this has gone down, like it's gone down, I don't have much luau's anyway, so I'll probably just make like a bowl. But when it's like simmered down and it's like near cooked, you toss it. You just like turn it upside down, and then you pour this coconut cream, this lovely, lovely, lovely coconut cream. Pure coconut cream, it's called. So it's better, it's tastier than Kara. I'm telling you. I know we've been using Kara for so long. So I just wait for this to, you know, really cook down, and then we're gonna mix this in, and it's gonna be the bomb. Okay, the bomb. So the onion that's down the bottom, it's just going, you know, it's hugging the luau with all its flavour. And then the garlic will come from here, and it'll go in there and do some more of this. I've gone and added another cup of water into the luau, guys, because I still want it to cook real good. So I've added another whole, hey, excuse you, I've added, excuse me, yeah, a whole cup of water, I've added it in. Now I'm still cooking it, because you want it to cook completely before you put in the coconut cream, okay, guys? So the luau is fully, you know, like, it's fully dried out. So I'm going to pour in the coconut cream now, guys. It's been simmering like for an hour and a little bit. So I'm pouring in this coconut cream now. It won't take long. Then bulbs your auntie. So what it's gonna do now, I'm just gonna let it simmer now till it's cooked. finally done. I cooked it for, you have to simmer it, guys. You have to cook it on high, let it cook really high and do its, you know, mambo jambo, and then you simmer it down and then you let it simmer, you know, until it's really nice and the leaf is tender, and then you put in your coconut cream. So that's what I did, guys. I don't know how tender this is because I had to speed things up because I have to get the video done and I haven't done dinner for the family. I know, they depend on me to do the cooking. My husband only cooks his own stuff like lamb tongue, but anyway, I'm gonna serve me some of this. Look, it's just like the luau that's in the bowl. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay, and I get me some bisupo. Yeah, and I want to put it on the corned beef. I want to put it on the, and let it melt. And then get a kalo, put it here, and then before I eat, I'm going to do my prayer. Okay, better get eating. The food is a bit hot. Bit hot. But anyway. So I'll move that to the side here. Let the kalo be here. See, look, I mixed it. Yeah. Oof. Have a bite. So good. This is really nice. See, I make this when I'm not in the mood to make the balls. So my husband likes to make it into sandwiches. Actually, that's how I used to eat it when he was a child. This is lovely, guys. Lovely. We used to have a kalo patch on the side of our house, but my husband got tired of looking after it, covered it with grass. But I don't know why he started looking after it. It looks after itself. All you have to do is water it. Oh. You know taro leaves? You just grow it and it will do the same looking after. You just have to water it. Cheers, guys. My cake and water. It's so good. I know, look how big this the mouthfuls are. I'm just hungry, I guess. It's nice to eat with corned beef and taro. That's like a nice combination. Or with roast chicken as well. KFC. So good, guys. Then they put the coconut cream in if the taro leaves are still raw. Put it in when it's cooked and the water's dried out. Then you pour in your It depends how high that you got your element. Because if you have your element on too high, the water runs out fast. But it's alright guys. Just get some more water. Add it until your leaves are completely cooked. And then when it's cooked and then the water dries out, you pour in your coconut cream. Okay? Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me guys, for watching me make it, to watching me now eat it. Mm. There was a sad problem that happened here in Australia, right? There was 4 cops killed by a truck. So sad. There's 4 lives, 4 families destroyed. You know, we don't know what happened, why the truck went. I don't want to talk badly about the truck driver as well, because it could be something that he couldn't control, the truck driver. You know what? The sad thing about it is the guy that was driving his Porsche real fast, that started off with him. Or him or her, I think it's a him, and it all started off with that, you know. That's why you always, you know, send your prayers to God, always show your loved ones, you know, that you love them, remind them that you love them, because you never know, man. We can never know when our time is up, you know. Sad. I just think about the cop's family, the truck driver, and his family. Excuse me. That truck driver will live with this, you know, sad burden, because it will be a heavy load. That truck driver will be living with this guilt for the rest of his life, you know, and it's sad for him. But you know, I hope he wasn't on the phone or anything, because that's. But then those cops, oh, sad, because they have families waiting at home for them. So that's the thing about being a cop, eh? Go out there and do your job, but you just never know. But being a cop, everyone knows, you know, when they get into the police force, what they're going to be facing. And I really, really thank the cops for, you know, the good cops, because there are some naughty ones, but most of the cops, no, they're good. They're out there to protect and serve. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off now, and I'm going to pack this all up. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Yeah. Go away. So it's called me. I if you guys are eating. Bye guys, all take care, and I love you and leave you. Paso for what?